These are dominoes. You'll notice that there are two sides to each domino, and there are dots that we refer to as pips. One of the ways in which we can use the dominoes is to make numbers that we can work with. Now, in this case, what we want to do is we want to take dominoes to build two 6-digit decimal numbers. Then we will round those numbers to get an estimated difference, and then we'll do the actual subtraction to find our answer, and then compare it to the estimate to check the reasonableness of our answer. So I've already selected some dominoes here. This is a 6-digit decimal number. These first two dominoes represent the whole part of the number, and here's the decimal part. And here's another one. So in this case, what we've built is 8,045 and 42 hundredths, and here's 9,633 and 73 hundredths. So I have these two numbers recorded. Now what I want to do is round them to numbers that I can easily work with in my head. So 8,045 and 42 hundredths, I'm going to round that to 8,000. And this number I'm going to round to 10,000. I want that estimated difference, so I'm going to subtract 8,000 from 10,000, and that's going to give me an estimate of 2,000. Now I will do the actual subtraction. So I will write down the greater number first, and then subtract and make sure I have everything lined up properly according to place value. And now subtract. So 3 subtract 2 is 1. 7 subtract 4 is 3. 3 subtract 5 I can't do, so I need to regroup. 13 subtract 5 is 8. 2 subtract 4, I can't do that, so I need to regroup. 12 subtract 4 is 8. 5 subtract 0 is 5, and 9 subtract 8 is 1. So here I have an actual difference of 1,588 and 31 hundredths. My estimate is 2,000. Those are pretty close. So that gives me a pretty good idea that this is a reasonable difference that I have here. So this is one way in which I can use the dominoes to build decimal numbers to work with.